So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. This is an update about Bitcoin. So guys, make sure to listen to me carefully, and I hope so you guys are first of all doing well, and basically, I hope so you guys have already subscribed to my channel. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, BTC is basically trading around exactly at 69, a beautiful 69.4k, and we have already hit 70k, and this is a beautiful thing. Why? Because definitely for alts as well, a lot of alts are performing. New altcoins are performing very well, and the Binance launch pad coins are also performing very well. So the most important thing right now to understand, I will definitely tell you. But basically, if you guys remember in my last update, I told you guys about this resistance from this trend line, and if I show you today, nothing can be more better than this, guys. Do you see how perfectly we are getting a rejection? How perfectly we are getting a manipulation but still a rejection? How perfectly we are getting a rejection out of this thing? So what else you guys want from me? I told you guys in my last update that this is the basic resistance from where we can definitely see a rejection. At the same time, I told you guys we need to flip first 71k and then 72k, and then we can definitely push to the upside. And what I personally think is that we will definitely see this, and then we will come for this, and then we can definitely get going like this. This is what I personally think. But the point of matter right here is that we are definitely under this basic resistance, and as long as we are under this resistance, why the hell I will be not taking some profits exactly at this resistance? And you guys can exactly see we got a big rejection right here. So first thing right now within this update, and in my last update I told you another chart. First of all, if I show you guys right here, right here, basically, there was nobody talking about 69k exactly when the price was dumping to the downside. I told you guys when the price was dipping down, I told you at 67.3k. I told you if we hold 67.3k, we will be going all the way up to 69k. I told you exactly on what? On 31st of May. When everybody was fucking scared and they were... Sorry guys for this word, basically. I don't want to say this. So basically, everybody was talking about the downside. But I told you if we hold, we are definitely going to the upside because there are a lot of wicks, right? And we filled it. If we talk this from here, we just beautifully went up, and this is the taken profit area. Secondly, at the same time, you guys can exactly see this right here as well. I have already showed this another important liquidity level right here, and you guys can exactly see this right here. Today in this chart, trading is algorithm. Right here we got a rejection, big rejection right here, the third time rejection exactly at this trend line. But at the same time on the lower time frames, we get a big SFP exactly from this liquidity zone. So right now we are holding above right here, but we are also forming some sort of a support right here. So again saying, if we try to hold above 68.9k, then we can go back all the way up to 70k. And if we start to break down, then we will definitely get back all the way up to 67k again. This is a very simple thing. What I personally like, for me, what I think, that we should push to the upside from here. We should push to the upside and then flip this, then start to rise over. This is my personal choice, but what I personally think, it's very simple. It's not a good range to trade right here. I will not personally trade, but I was definitely telling you guys to get into a long position and target this area, which has already been hit. What's next? Very simple. Nothing is next. The next thing is we will definitely decide after this range. Firstly, if we try to go down to the downside back into this previous range, then we can definitely target this area first thing. But we are not in that region right now. Or either if we start to flip above right here, we can definitely push to the upside. First of all, we need to take this low. This low is also very important. If we try to take this low and go up, then we can definitely push to the upside as well. But at the same time, this range, I don't think so it's a tradable range. So I will definitely wait for the higher prices. For me, higher prices are also coming, but at the same time, June is usually not a good month. So we need to also make sure, even if the June, like till 15, if it makes very good sense, but after the 15 maybe we can definitely see some dump. So as long as we are not flipping these areas right here